Hey, I'm Juan.
Hi, I'm Ava, and these are our dogs, Daisy and TJ.
Hi, and I'm Bettina.
We're in NYC, New York City, baby. Woo! We made it despite taking an RV and pulling a Jeep. Oh, man. But it's absolutely beautiful here. Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. It seems like the
Oh, that's so cute.
It's a different kind of gourds on the steps.
Oh, the pumpkins? Yeah.
Look at this. So cute. Lovely.
This street is pretty.
Isn't it? Oh, look at this tree. How did they get it to look like that? They spiraled it perfectly. Oh, this is a cool one. Look at this one. This one's got all sorts of character on it. Lovely. Yeah. It's great. All right, gang, here we go. We are about to ride on the subway. Let's see.
Take the G train towards
Church, Queens.
Queens.
Okay. Queens. All right.
Queens in 3 minutes.
All right. Here we go.
Right at 2 stops to Court Square, the last stop.
All right.
Transfer at Court Square to E, M, or 7 trains.
Okay.
E train is a blue line.
I grew up watching movies
Or this is what happened?
where something happened here. Like some sort of terrorist was caught here, or some sort of bad guy was chased down here. Maybe even Spider-Man, I don't know. Woo! Let's go. E-train. E. All right, Eva, here we go. Here it is. This is a really beautiful memorial. And there, World Trade Center. Thank you. And then here's the memorial. Beautiful. And around this whole thing are names of the people who passed. And we'll learn more tomorrow as we go take the tour inside. This really looks like Star Wars.
Right?
All right. Go New York City. Let's go, baby.
Or similar items on the escalator. Whenever possible at the World Trade Center. With 4 empty slots.
Okay. Ava, what are you getting?
I'm getting
I'm
the
here in
pork
Chinatown.
dumplings noodle soup.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Getting that.
Okay,
those
lovely.
noodles.
Honey, what are you getting? You get anything?
I don't know. Well, yeah. I'm thinking sauteed bok choy.
Sauteed bok choy.
Sounds amazing.
Here with the tasty handy pulled noodle ink.
Or maybe beef.
Very nice.
What are you getting?
I'm getting the beef and shrimp kind of cool. Little Chinatown walk. All right, pigeons. Pew, 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 pew. See what's going on down here. Huh. Interesting. Ooh, I'm gonna try to see your free sample. I'll try a free sample. What you got?
This is the orchid blank cookie.
This is what?
Orchid blank?
Orchid blank.
Yeah, cookie.
Here we go, walking through Chinatown. Really quite amazing. Check it. Oh, look at that. That's cool. There's also a place down there, which I don't even know what that is.
Pan-fried tiny pork dumplings. Oh.
The House of Joy. Oh, that's a cool name for a restaurant. Okay, here we go. Looking to get some New York apparel. This is going to be cool. What you going to get, honey?
We need one.
What is it? Oh, we do need an apron. Oh, and I love New York Iconic. Almost obnoxious. I love it.
this?
Oh, I love the obnoxious of that. That's a.
I love it.
That's how I've been to New York for sure. You only get something like that if you've been to New York.
There's no price. I'm a little concerned.
All right. I love it. All right, we're here in New York City. We are in Times Square. Ava, feeling the wait. I was like, you feeling the energy?
I am.
Whoa.
Very cool place. It's surprisingly cold though.
Yeah.
Yeah, colder than I thought it would be.
Honey, what do you think about the energy here?
Oh man, look, there's some folks with a lot of confidence over there, Ava.
We love confident people. Let's go.
Oh, tell them what you discovered.
Please. What'd you discover?
Skill versus skill, talent.
Oh, talent is not needed in the world. You just need to have a lot of confidence in a big city.
That's what Ava discovered. I think
The
that's
less talent you
hilarious.
have, the more confidence you need, huh?
Yeah, one or the other.
And if
Let's
you can
go.
have both, oh my gosh. That's
Let's go. Let's go, New York. Times Square, baby. Check it out. Wow. Times Square. Let's go. That's a big purse. I'm gonna go just this right over here.
Mira los billboards, you like the billboard?
Here we go. Oh snap. Oh, that was really good. You almost made that. Woo! I didn't expect to see this in New York City. Beautiful building. Well lit. This is a beautiful church. Look at this. Wow.